Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at VVS Finance. We frequented here in the past, and now I was at a high of $1,000, and now we're down to $50. That's a great return on investment, right, guys? Nah, not exactly. So yeah, while we wait for this to come back, here is what we're gonna do. Okay, see, we can harvest. How much is it gonna cost? It's probably gonna cost a ton of money. It's gonna cost 0.6 crow. Luckily, crow doesn't cost that much these days. I guess that's lucky. So I don't know, 5 cents. We can collect $5. Okay, that's reasonable, I guess. And so we'll have some more tokens freed up so we can do some more stuff later, assuming this all goes through as planned. Now you can see some of it was harvested, some of it's not, and right now I'm going to reject this because it's not worth it to collect $1.49. That's kind of ridiculous. So I'm just going to let that build. But we want to go and look and see what we got. So let's go over to XVVS, which is where most of what I have left is. There's some in the mine or in the farm. We can go see that in a minute. But what I really am interested in is, look, we only have 5%. This is terrible. So what we want to do is go into the vault and see if we can do better. Now, the 6-month stake that I had yields 7.69%, and look, it's unlocked. Perfect. So I'm going to upgrade the period, because at this point, what do I got to lose? So I'm going to go for 4 years. Why not? What the heck? Hopefully you guys subscribe and you stick around for the next 4 years and see how this does. And see how things go. So I'm going to say upgrade. And I'm going to confirm. So in May 14th, 2026, it's either going to be all worthless or it'll be worth something. And we can finally cash back out our $1,000 we started with. Now, if I'm a gambling man, which I'm not, it's probably going to expire. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Alright? So now we're going to go to the farm and see how much we have. And then we can go to the mine. Now, in the farm, I have... Alright, you can see what we have. 23% interest. Not bad. I just obviously collected this, so the rewards are low. So, not bad though. APR, 23%. That's not bad. The problem is, Crow VVS, the value, has plummeted from when I staked this. So, yeah, we've got a little bit of loss in value. So that's a problem. So, you can see, here we go to the mines of Moria. The mines of Moria. Oh, wait, that's the wrong thing. Never mind. Wrong channel. Anyway, we're going over the glitter mines, and you can see these rates of return are just pathetic. 2.81%? Come on, who's going to stake that? Come on, guys, that's just not even funny anymore. Alright? And we got this new earn VNO, if you stake XVVS, 78.22%. Wow, that's a great return. However, catch 22, limited time only. So, buyer beware. Alright, guys. That's all I have for today. We'll go back to the dashboard. Before we go back there, let's go to the IGO. Now, the last IGO they had did pretty well. The secret here is you gotta sell it off real quick in order to make your money back or make a profit, because after that, man, it just plummets like a rock. At least that's my my experience. So I did not participate here in this one, you can see, but maybe I should have. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Anyway, stay tuned for more. Be sure to subscribe. We'll see if we can dig ourselves out of this hole one way or another with crypto in the DeFi space. The crow that's staked on the crypto.com DeFi wallet doing much better, earning a solid 10, 11%, and it's stable, at least for now. And hopefully that crow's going back to $1 or more, potentially. We'll see. All right, guys. Depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's really going up. We're going to be along for the ride. Thanks for watching.